5-year plan for the tourism sector is a bold initiative to increase arrivals by 5% per annum for the next 5 years, to reach 5 million visitors by 2021, to generate $5 billion for the economy, to directly employ 125,000 workers, up from the current 88,000. These goals are attainable as research says each visitor to the island provides 60 employment opportunities. This plan is to enable Jamaica to have a 24/7 industry to combat and defeat tourism seasonality.
We are going to build out the 3 key segments that are critical. First, the agricultural segment, which deals with all that the consumed requirements are for food, for beverage, and so on. Then the second is the manufacturing. That is all the needs that they have for bedding, for the construction items that they need, for pots and pans and cans and kettles, and for bedding and for sheets and pillowcases and all that, right? And then the third one for the services that are required. Your banking services, your hospital medical services, your insurance services, and now your marketing services. We have to build the capacity of our people. So we're going to build a hospitality school. We're going to also build an institute of craft development, which is important to training our artisans. The reason that much of the workers in our tourism industry are not as strong in terms of their tenure as other industries. The reason why some are involved in what you call contract employment is because of the seasonality of the industry. So you work for 6 months and then you lay off because you have shoulder months and the industry can't pay anymore, and so you come back 3 months after. And so instead of having what is called permanent employment, or what we call in industry good jobs, you're ending up with seasonal jobs. So in building out the 24/7 arrangements, tourism will be there for you, and permanence will now be the feature of your employment situation.
And this will favorably affect worker welfare.
Absolutely. So the pension program that we have been working on will have a better and a stronger place, because now we will have our workers that are able to go 24/7 and every month of the year.
Building a strong tourism sector for the Jamaican economy.